Discover your path to mindfulness and heartfelt living. Take a deep breath and now ask yourself, when was the last time you truly felt present? If you're ready to reconnect with yourself and find peace in the moment, you're in the right place. Right now, we'll explore what mindfulness is, the incredible benefits it offers, simple ways to start, how to integrate it into everyday life, and how it can help us in the modern world. Plus, I'll guide you through a calming practice you can use right away. Thank you for being here. My name is Sana, and I'm with Vibration Mentor, where we support our clients in having a joyous journey in life, no matter what is happening around them, so they can manifest the life they choose. Are you ready to transform the way you experience life? Imagine a journey where every moment feels meaningful, where stress fades, and your heart opens to endless possibilities. Welcome to the world of mindfulness, your heartfelt companion for living fully in the present. What if I told you that there's a quiet revolution happening? Not in boardrooms, not on social media, but in the stillness of our minds. It's a practice older than time itself, yet more relevant than ever. This is the story of mindfulness. Not just a skill, but a companion, a heartfelt guide to a more connected, meaningful life. Mindfulness at its core is an invitation, a tender embrace of the present. To live mindfully is to see the world and yourself as they truly are, unfiltered, unbiased, and beautifully imperfect. This is more than just being aware. Mindfulness asks you to listen, to feel, and to accept each moment with an open heart. And while its roots trace back to ancient meditation and prayer, it has transcended cultures and boundaries to become a universal language of presence. So why mindfulness? What makes it transformative? It begins with balance, a soothing balm for the heart. In other words, in a world of chaos, mindfulness helps manage stress, anxiety, and even depression, creating space for peace and clarity. Your focus sharpens, decisions become clearer. Mindfulness doesn't just touch your mind, it nurtures your body. Lower blood pressure, better sleep, and even a stronger immune system. But perhaps its most beautiful gift is the power to deepen our connection with others and with ourselves. Mindfulness is not a destination, it's a journey. And like any journey, it starts with a single step. Here are 5 practices you can begin today. So 1 is breathing with love. Feel each breath as it flows in and out. Let it anchor you in the now. This is especially helpful when dealing with stressful situations or stressful moments you know you have coming up. So practice breathing when you feel calm so that during stressful situations, it becomes second nature. 2, body scan. Travel inward. What does your body need at this moment? Listen with compassion. This isn't just about what type of food you want. This is also, could you use a stretch? Could you use some calm? Could you use maybe a short nap? Or do you just need to relax your body in some way, shape, or form? Take the time to listen to this incredible vessel that houses our souls, Take the time to really nurture and listen to your body. Number 3, observing with curiosity. Pick up an object, a leaf, a pen, and see it as though you're looking at it for the first time, how a child would look at it. Think of if you are coming from a completely different planet, what would this object look like to you? Just observe it with all your senses and see it for the first time. Such a beautiful way to live, just waking up anew every day. Heartfelt listening, number 4. Immerse yourself in the sounds around you, letting the melody of the moment unfold. Just take it in, especially if you have a moment to go outside in nature or even in a garden or a park somewhere close to you. Just take the time to breathe and listen. And with all of your senses, see what it feels like to you. And of course, the easiest one is
eating mindfully. We all have to eat. So number 5, eating mindfully. Let every bite be an experience, a taste, a savor, and be very grateful. So this is very simple to do. We actually have another video on mindful eating, but this is something you do all the time. So even if you don't have a lot of time to eat, you can spend an extra minute, an extra few moments just being present with this nourishing food. Each of these is an invitation to live fully, to not just go through the motions, but to feel the depth of every moment. What happens when mindfulness becomes part of your day? It transforms everything, from how you grow as a person to how you show up at work and learning and even in healing. You'll find clarity and focus at work, a calm presence in learning, and a gentle healer for the mind and body. Mindfulness allows you to break free from patterns of stress and self-doubt, replacing them with compassion and love for yourself and for others. In our fast-paced world, always on, this digital age, mindfulness is a counterbalance. It's a beacon of tranquility we can all use. It's not about rejecting technology, but about using it with intention. When we reclaim our attention, we rediscover the richness of in-person interactions and the beauty of stillness. And in a fractured world, mindfulness becomes a bridge, a way to listen, to understand, and to build empathy. It's a starting point for creating peace, both within ourselves and in our communities. As you continue on your path, remember this. Mindfulness is more than a practice. It's a way of being, a way to find joy in the smallest moments, to hold peace in the face of chaos, and to live with purpose and presence. Every moment offers a fresh start, so take a breath, reflect, live fully, and watch as your world transforms, one mindful moment at a time. So if you've enjoyed this video so far, please go to vibrationmentor.com or join our community so that we can support you even more on your joyous journey in life. And now, on to our exercise. Before we close, I want to leave you with this powerful exercise. You can do it right now if you have a safe place to sit. This is more than just a practice. It's a tool to reset, reconnect, and reclaim your presence in the moment. I call it the 3-minute mindful reset. Are you ready? Let's do it together. So first, anchor your breath. First, close your eyes, or if you prefer, just soften your gaze. And now take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out slowly through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Feel the air filling your lungs. Notice how your body responds, your shoulders dropping, your chest opening. For the next minute, focus entirely on your breath. If your mind wanders, it's okay. Gently bring it back to the rhythm of your inhale and exhale. Breathe, let go, and be here. Now let's shift our focus. Look around you or imagine a place that feels calm and safe. What's one thing in this moment that you can appreciate? It could be as simple as the warmth of the sun on your skin, the support of the chair beneath you, or the sound of silence around you. hold this moment of gratitude in your heart. Feel its warmth spreading through you. Gratitude is a bridge. It connects us to the beauty of what is, even in the midst of what feels uncertain. Gratitude grounds you, and gratitude empowers you. Now let's look forward. Ask yourself, what energy do I want to carry in the rest of my day? What intention feels right for me at this moment? Maybe it's patience, focus, or joy. Maybe it's kindness to yourself or to someone else. Take a deep breath and silently or out loud declare your intention. Today I choose, and fill in the blank. Own it, claim it as yours. And here's the magic. That intention spoken from your heart can guide. It's a reminder that you hold the power to shape your experience moment by moment. Basically, you are taking energetic energy and turning it into 3D reality just by writing it down or just by saying it out loud. You are already transforming it from energy form. And that is the absolute first step to powerful manifestation. And just like that, in 3 minutes, you've grounded yourself in presence, gratitude, and purpose. Imagine the impact of carrying this reset into every part of your day, your week, your life. This is the power of mindfulness. It's simple yet profound. And it's yours to access anytime, anywhere. Now I invite you to share your intention in the comments below. Let's inspire each other and create a ripple of mindful energy across this incredible community. Thank you for being here, for showing up for yourself, and for stepping into the fullness of your presence. Until next time, stay mindful, stay empowered, and as always, live fully.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue your journey of self-growth and manifestation, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, at Vibration Mentor, we're here to support you in creating a joyous life, no matter what's happening around you. Keep manifesting, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.